Hey, good morning, everyone. Rory Powers, Right Line Trading. This broadcast is for demonstration and educational purposes only. It's important to know that we're not offering any type of trading advice here today. We are not licensed. I am not a licensed financial advisor. There is a substantial amount of risk when trading the financial instruments. If you're not familiar with the risks associated with trading, you better ask somebody. Get with a licensed financial advisor before you lose your entire trading account. All right. Happy Friday, everyone. It is Friday, November 21st. If you're joining us today, well, that's the good news. Hallelujah. Any day above ground is a blessed day. You started it off correctly. You're in it to win it. Let's take some risk. Friday, November 21st. If today's your first day joining us, welcome. Let's take a look and see what's on the Forex Factory calendar before we find ourselves having an unpleasant surprise. Ever have one? Not too much fun. Okay, let's see here. 8 o'clock, we had a yellow folder. Mrs. Collins, Mr. Collins was speaking. 8:30, we had some yellow folders. Here's a big one, 9:45. Okay, these we have to be very concerned about. The red folder reports, what that means is that there's a high impact expected. A lot of volatility. Could be a double-edged sword. Could get us a huge loser or a huge winner. But there is a significant amount of risk with that elevated volatility. 10 a.m., we got an orange folder, consumer sentiment. Okay, the reports are starting to come back. After that shutdown, final wholesale inventories, yellow. Revised inflation expectations, yellow. So the big ones, don't let me forget, please. 9:45, 10 o'clock. We've got two reds and an orange. 9:45, 10 o'clock. Man, what a sell-off we've been having. Good morning, good morning. Synergy, Onyeka, Steven, Mike. Good morning. Thank you for joining us. Good to see you. All right. Let's see what happened overnight. Let's go back. Tremendous amount of volatility. Look at all of these bars. This is a 20 Unorenko. This is not a small bar. Wow, that's 500 bars. It only takes us to the London Open. That's amazing. Tremendous amount of volatility. Huge amount. But we've taken a leg up from where we were. Let me go back just a little further. I'm going to put 1 day on it. I'm afraid that smoke will start shooting out of my computer. Okay, here's midnight. We're just about where we started at midnight. Here was the session close. So we are higher than where we closed the previous session. Previous session close, current session open. Took a little bit of a leg up. But wow, what a week. Got a big pop when NVIDIA reported their earnings, only to watch the whole thing melt away. And let's take a quick look at the ES on the 30 range. Been trending up pre-market. Took another leg down overnight during the Asian session, and the London Open London session, it's been headed back up. Our leaderboard. What have you done for me lately? These are the ones performing the best today. The signal A, the retirement plan, did extremely well. The signal A entries really favor a volatile market. Big swings up and down, up and down, up and down. Good morning, Carol. Omar, good morning. So we've got the 2-minute on the signal A, the ES30 range 1-day pass. Wow, what a week it must have had this week. It's just been crushing it. The 20U on the sniper. MNQ power play. That's the trade we see in the background over here. MNQ retirement plan. Might have to play those. MNQ retirement plan, MNQ power play. Those look juicy. Let's take a look back real quick and see this week. I'm going to upload. First, we'll do the, we're going to go to our RLT trading analyst, and we'll process the micros first for this week. This is a weekly review. Micros this week. And we're going to say process this week's trades. This is our ChatGPT. Been having some hiccups lately. Not in sleep mode, Carol. You don't want it to go to sleep. Okay, let's re-export it. In fact, what I normally do is I go to my sleep settings and I change it to where it says hibernate or something of that nature. I change it to when it's plugged in, never. Now, if you want, you could turn your monitors off. Your monitor you could turn off. But the computer itself, you do not want it to sleep if you want the strategies to run. So let me get the, before we run out of time, it's 9:29. Good luck, everybody. I'm going to get the power play, and I like the way the retirement plan on the MNQ looked. So I'm going to make those my leader accounts. Lock her up. Let me throw in my Apex eval. Okay. Power play. Let me throw in my eval. Shoot. Okay, good luck, everyone. Look at the MNQ power plays up $1,000 trading micros pre-market. Let's let it settle down. We've got a little bit of lag here at the open. We're at 5 seconds. I'm almost convinced yesterday that it was my rhythmic data feed. Let's see if today it does better with the lag. Friday. Bum, bum, bum. Boy, this volatility is extreme. $13,000 contracts a minute. 14. Just an ungodly number of contracts per minute. I think I'm going to disengage and let this settle down. We've got a big Thanksgiving potluck picks at my daughter's school today. We're going to pick up a turkey and some side dishes. And they've got a bounce house for the kids, and 'tis the season. Jero, I'm with you, brother. I feel you. I feel your pain. It's amazing. Just amazing. Good morning, Synergy. Come on down. Come on, lag. I want to get in the game. My goodness. I'm tempted to disable. Disconnect, I should say. Not disable. I've already disabled. This is with nothing running. Absolutely nothing running with 28 seconds of lag. If it doesn't come down, we'll try something different. I'm at 25 seconds, 24. What I'm counting down is my lag. That's what I'm counting down. I want to get in the game. Okay, it's starting to subside, I believe. Good thinking, Gerald. $18 seconds. Look at this. Look at this volatility. It's just on fire, man. This is extreme. We got to go to a 2-minute or a 20 Unarenko. That Signal A retirement plan is just a perfect strategy for this. You take off that 50 signal condition and just take the reversals. They're monsters. Okay, I'm down to 10 seconds, 11 seconds. Okay, my lag's coming down. 8 seconds, 7. I'm almost in trading mode now. Remember, everyone, 9:45, just what we need, right? A high impact red folder report coming. With a haymaker. I'm going to turn on my retirement plan. Let's see what a 2-minute looks like. Well, I'm not going to add any more charts. There's no way. 2 seconds. Here I come. One second. Okay, I'm green. It's a great day to play the one-day passes. This is the environment you want for a one-day pass. Okay, my lag appears to be under control now. Retirement plan's in. Let's see if we can get it to go up. Okay, it's just leapfrog. Took a first leapfrog. I don't know how I got red on that. It's hard to believe. One of my accounts was minus 19. Let's go with the power play. See if we get a break of support here. Oh, I got the Starbot as my follower account. Oh, nice, Mike. Almost went all the way for you. We need a break of support. Watch the break of support here. We got some running room to the downside. Need a break of support. Here we go. Hold on. Buckle your seatbelts. Oh! Darn. Needed a little more room. Oh, this is very fast. A lot of whipsaw. You know what? There's too much whipsaw. Let's pivot to the Mack truck. Let's make a pivot here. Ah, this one's frozen. Mack truck is in a trade too. Here's the Mack truck. The Mack truck takes the trades breaking right through the 50. This is the retirement plan. This is the MNQ 20U Mack truck. Let's go to the retirement plan. Let's take a look at a 2-minute chart. Okay, we're in. Yeah, we're in short on the Mack truck. All the risk is off the trade. Let's see if we can get a move to the downside. Push down. Get my window. Push down. Darn. Just missed it. Well, it's still in the trade. Come on down. Come on down. Push down. Push down. Ugh. The leapfrog's not working. Darn. It is. That's why I went to higher time frames, Mike. I went to a 2-minute and a 20 Unarenko. We're back in on the retirement plan. NQ 2-minute MNQ. Let's give it a little room. Oh my goodness. Come on, drop down. Come on down. Push down. Come on down. Push down. Okay, now we're in the leapfrog. Jump right back in. Kind of tight. Push down. Push down. Push down. Come on. Push down. Man almighty. Jump right back in short. There it goes. Now it leapfrogged. Come on, push down. Let's go. There you go. Keep locking it in. There we go. Thank you, Mike. We're right at the report now. Well, playing that 2-minute retirement plan put me on the board across all 4 of my accounts. I pivoted away from the 30 range on the NASDAQ. There was just way too much whipsaw and volatility. I'm going to make a signal B on the 20U. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Mack truck and I'm going to add the signal B to it. Because you could see once this oscillator gets pinned, this thing goes for 100, about 30 or 40 points. So I don't think it would hurt with this increased amount of volatility to go with a signal B. Signal A and B I like. Now about now it jump in long. But do you want to take a long in this market? Boy, that signal A was a beauty. Let me get that 20U. Let me play around with it a little. Let's do the signal A, the reversals. Let's do a signal B. Let's get that baby trading. We can't use our 30 range yet. Let's see if we can get this sniper in the game. Should take off now on a signal B. And then Q. Very surprised it didn't fire off long. Oh, darn. 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 Okay, let me get the Ninja back up. The previous owner of the company, Mark Sachs, is stalking me on YouTube, and I apologize. He's stalking some of you too. All we could do is pray for him, that's all. Let me log back in. We did reach our profit goal, pivoting to the 2-minute on the retirement plan. which is it came right on top of our leaderboard pre-market. And knowing the trigger of a signal A and the current market condition, it all worked together for the good. Huh. Let me see if I pivot to the NQ if it comes back. I'm going to meet with Sergio after the stream and see if we can see if maybe clean out the historical tick data or something. All right, Mike. Nice. Thank you for the offer. I appreciate that. Imagine, imagine doing that. Imagine making it to your retirement and behaving like that. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Please consult with a license. Okay, I think we're back up and running. When I went to the NASDAQ on my chart, it changed everything. When I go to the MNQ, it just kicks my you know what. Let's keep it on the minis. Mark Miller told me. He said, man, the MNQ is something to be reckoned with. There's just a ton of volume. You still have 32 seconds. Wow. I really appreciate that offer, Mike. Well, Mike, I don't know. I wouldn't say that. I'm really not a great trader, but thank you. I appreciate your compliment. I just can't get over how sad it is with this guy's behavior. I'm just in shock. I imagine walking around with that kind of karma. Look at the leaderboard. Very nice. We'll go over the weekly results. Okay, I think things are back good on my lag. Yes, mine too. Let me see if I can get the trade performance. I was hoping to go over. I like to do a weekly review. So this week, starting the 17th to the 21st. And by the way, today at 2 o'clock, we're going to have a special presentation. We're coming into Black Friday, Thanksgiving, and we're going to do a special today. If you'd like to attend the webinar, if you have not received an invitation through our mailing list and you'd like to attend today at 2 o'clock, please send me an email to support@rightlinetrading.com. I put a link in the room, but Mark Sachs keeps putting in spam addresses, trying to poison our mailing list, believe it or not. I mean, this is nuts. A grown man. Not only that, a guy who had a PhD. They took his license to practice medicine. Thank God. But that's who's behind this craziness. So if you want to attend today's session at 2 o'clock, please send me an email to support@rightlinetrading.com. We'll send you a link to access the live event. It's going to be at 2 o'clock. Yeah, he's a real piece of work, ain't he? I'm not one to throw mud, but, you know, glad you looked. Okay, so let's take a look at this week's trades. Yeah, that's the crazy email you got. That's him. He's the previous owner of the company. And he's made it his mission in life, believe it or not, to damage us. But let's see, today is the 21st. Accounts. Let me see if I can turn this into I try to export the data, put it in our trading analyst in ChatGPT. ES8U scalper. Let's go to the ES. ES8U scalper leapfrog. Oh, wow. Look at that trade. Oh, wow. Look at that ES leapfrog. Another monster move down. Wow. It went long. Oh, my goodness. You must really be lagging. Look at this monster trade the ES leapfrog got into. Yours too? Yeah, I'm going to get with Sergio and try to get this sorted out. I might pivot to a server. Anybody running on a server? How is your lag if you're running on a server? Is it? Okay. Would require thousands of dollars. Thanks, Mark. I appreciate that. Good to know. Chart VPS server. How's it been holding up throughout the week, Mark? Good to know. And that's the name of it? It's called Chart VPS server? Oh, wow. So you're right there in Chicago. Nice. What a meltdown we've had this week. Unbelievable. I thought after the NVIDIA earnings report, all was going to be well. And this has just continued. When we get the lag under control, the bots they crush it. They do really well. But it's been a challenge. This volatility and volume is extreme. The market's making a correction. I've seen this before. It's like a red folder report the entire session. When that red folder report came out, you couldn't tell the difference between the red folder report and just a normal trading environment. There was no difference. The NQ power plays in. Let's take a look. The 30 range is a lot of whipsaw. A lot. Wow, look at that. Oh my goodness. Did you see that market drop? Unreal. This thing is just flying. Steven's in. ES8U Leapfrog is back. MNQ Steven. Let's see that. Today at 2 o'clock, if you're interested in seeing the live presentation on the AI Auto Trader, please send me a request to support at rightlinetrading.com. MNQ power play in. Just way too much whipsaw. Let's keep it on the well, this is Steven. I was going to keep it on the retirement plan. Yeah, I think going short is the only way to go today. Yeah, that's information you already know, Mike. We did a really great training class on Wednesday or Thursday. Was it Wednesday? Jeez. Yeah, I believe it was Wednesday. That would be a really good video to watch if you haven't already. I think we shared some really great information. Ooh, here we go. This is a nice entry. This is a nice entry down. If it breaks support, here we go. That one could run. All the risk is off. Just needs some wiggle room. This one could be gone. Bam. Oh. See, now it took the exit on the line change. Popped right back in short. You see that? On a signal C. There's just so much whipsaw. Believe it or not, that bot's trading an 8 Unorenko, which is, in this volatility, is insane. Insanity. See if it gets the break. Hey, thank God she's still around, Mike. That's a blessing. You're a good man for helping her out and taking her to the doctor, I'll tell you. I lost my mom to ALS in 2009, and it was probably the most painful thing I've ever been through in my life, is watching that. Yeah, to see a loved one. Well, I don't want to depress everyone. It was a long time ago. Come on down. Ooh, there's a beautiful Mack truck entry. Where is my Mack truck? It must not be enabled. It is. Oh, it's in. I'm sorry. I'm on the wrong bot. Mack truck's down 320. Hey, Rao. Where you been, my friend? Good morning. Good morning. 550 on gold. You know, we haven't looked at gold in a while. I saw gold was trading around 40,050 last I looked. I was very curious. You know, it seems like the really safe place to put your money. I'm afraid to open any new charts, to be honest with you. Let's see if we get the break of support. This thing could take another leg down. I'm right where I want to be on the sideline. Here's a gold chart. Let's see if we can get this in the leapfrog. Nope. What it does is it exited on the line change. When that 15 EMA changes colors, all right, I think we're going to stop right here. David Wise is coming up behind me, trading the SPY Super System. We've got a live presentation at 2 o'clock. And please, if you would, on the way out the door, if you would please like my video here on YouTube. We would really appreciate it. I hope everybody has a great weekend, a blessed weekend. You're able to spend time with those that you love. And God willing, we'll be back Monday. Have a great weekend, everybody. We're going to go live at 2 o'clock on the AI presentation. If you'd like to join us, please send a request to support@rightlinetrading.com. Have a great weekend, everybody. So long.